What's going on, YouTube? We back in this motherfucker. Back with another YouTube video, folks. Right? You feel me? I'm just finna back test a little bit. You feel me? Just to let y'all boy know, you feel me? I still been on this shit. It's been a long time getting camera shine shit. But anyway, you feel me? I'm just finna do a little bit of back testing. I'm just letting y'all know, like, I'm still locked in. I've been locked in this entire time. Like, just because I ain't been posting on YouTube, you feel me, don't mean I ain't been locked in. I've been locked in more than I ever been locked in. Like, when I was posting on YouTube, I was less locked in than I am now. And for the past couple months, like, when was the last time I posted on YouTube? About 3-4 months ago. Yeah. Not saying that I'm, you feel me, just straight up coming back or some shit. I'm not gonna say I'm not. But I'm still taking time to really, you feel me, adjust to my strategy and my current new strategy. I'm just gonna let y'all in on what that strategy is. I'm done strategy hopping. 2025, we sticking to one strategy for the rest of, you feel me, 2025. I might strategy hop one more time. See, that's my problem. That's been my problem for the past couple months. It ain't been my psychology. I've been really deep diving into the mind and how to think when it's time to think. So it's like, I know it's not I wonder if this is copyrighted. But yeah, like I was saying, I've been deep diving a lot on my strategy. Not on my strategy, but I've been strategy hopping. I feel like that's what's been holding me back the most. But it's really because, let me know how y'all feel about this. You feel me? Y'all feel like when you get one strategy, like, of course, I like to keep one strategy and just be on that one strategy. I'm not the type to like to have 3-4 strategies and alternate between them. I don't like all that because I feel like there's too much confusion in that. For me personally, I'm not speaking for nobody else, but for me personally, I feel like there's a lot of confusion and all that. As far as keeping up with, but I did realize everything is really about risk management. So it really don't matter what strategy you trade. It's just all about managing your accounts. In case y'all was wondering, I still do have my counts some shine. You feel me? I haven't blown anything. But one of them was down 1,200 and I brought it all the way back to break even. So that was good. What else? Just giving y'all a little update. New strategy in. I like it. I've been trading this strategy for about a good month now. But it's a scalping strategy. That's the only thing I don't know how I feel about that. Like, I know I keep saying but it's like I be so stuck between, you feel me, scalping and swing. Cause I'm real. It's like, I feel like it depends on who you are as a person. I'm really trying to not figure that out, but it's like I really feel like it don't matter what you trade as long as you trading the way you're supposed to be trading. So anyway, we finna just get into this strategy, you feel me? Shout out Hoovier. The only reason I got on before this strategy, I was trying to trade Q-Bank strategy. Shit was not working. That shit was ass. My bad. It's not ass because it works for who it works for, but that did not work for me. I was so confused about everything he was talking about. Like, I was understanding, but I was still confused. Like, bro, what? Because it just wasn't making sense. He's like basically, he just makes lines on the chart and be like, okay, at this line, like, say it's an even, like, it got to be an even number on the side, though. So it got to be like 600.0 type shit. Then that's counted as like a support or resistance because that's where banks want to trade to, essentially. And then he waits for some type of confirmation and see if it's gonna go up or down. I don't know. It'd be confusing because it's like, what the hell is my confirmation? Then he goes for like 1 to 5 or something like that. I don't know. I don't get all that. I understood this the most. So I feel like this is what I'm currently sticking with. I'm trying to stick to something for the entire 2025. That's one of my New Year's resolutions, is just to get a strategy and don't switch up that strategy for the whole 2025. I feel like I started messing up when I first switched up my strategy because the whole first part of 2025, I had one strategy and I stuck to it. Y'all knew it was my gaps. It was my fair value gaps. I didn't know nothing else. I got a payout. You feel me? I got funded with fair value gaps. Like, it all started there. I don't know. It was just like, once I had went on that crazy losing streak with the gaps, my mind, that's when my psychology got messed up. I'm thinking I didn't know what I was doing. Things going wrong, you feel me? I'm like, golly, I done got all these accounts and now I can't even get a payout. Like, but yeah, I feel like this makes sense. I want to go back to the fair value gaps, which I probably will eventually, and not just abandon this. I'm gonna trade this with it type shit. You feel me? But basically, this is just nothing but market structure. I've been doing a lot of research on just market structure alone. I was trying to trade price action. It makes sense, but don't make sense to me. So basically with market structure, of course, higher highs and higher lows. So I was just back testing using the, you feel me, the little, we should call it back tester shit. But basically what this is, you feel me, is, if y'all know who here, y'all know the strategy, but it's just super scalping. Not staying in too long. I only trade for about 1 to 2 hours a day. Once I get a win, I'm more than likely done for the day. Once I take a loss, I'm more than likely done for the day. I keep it at that. So basically, once you're above this VWAP, you have your VWAP on. Once you're above the VWAP, you buying. Below the VWAP, you selling. But you're waiting for price to show structure and bullishness. I mean, not bullishness, but the volume. So boom, we got structure above the VWAP. As you can see, boom, price came down, pulled back up. Right, pull it back again. I would have entered right here because after the pullback, I would have seen that price couldn't get below this low. Since we couldn't get below this low, boom, I'm buying here because it's the first bullish candle. Why is it a bullish candle? Because we have no bottom wick. So since we have no bottom wick, this is a A+ setup. I'm going for a 1 to 2 every trip. 1% is like a, I don't really know. Like live is probably about around a 60%, maybe 50. But back testing, like my potential is like around a 70% type shit. But that don't matter. It's all about how you execute in an actual moment. These up here are my notes I've been taking. Just to let y'all know, I've been trading I've been back testing every single month. So for one thing, I've been bullshitting May 2024, June 2024. It's on a 2-minute time frame. I trade Ashi sticks. But you got May 2024, June 2024, July 2024. I didn't do August yet. And I did September 2024. It's all on 2 minutes. So I traded the whole entire month on 2 minute. This is what I was coming out with, you feel me? And this was just some shit. Boom, this was the 5 minute. I had did every month on 5 minute, but I don't know what the hell happened February, March. But boom, I basically just write down the wins, the losses, the win rate, and how long is your longest losing streak. So I write down, okay, if I wasn't going to lose a streak, what's the longest losing streak I should go on in a month? So if it's like you feel me, 5 losing streak in real time, I'm doing something wrong because my strategy is not set up to take 5 losses in a row, basically. If I'm on a 3 losing streak, my setup, I mean, it can happen, but it's not likely. So in those moments when I'm taking, you feel me, going on 5 losing streaks, I just need to step back and reevaluate myself, basically. Like I just been really locked in. I don't want to try to think I've been bored, you know. He just don't want to post no more. It was just, I ain't gonna cap. I ain't realize how stressful that is, trying to post and be good on YouTube while actually keeping up with yourself in real life. So I had to take a step back. Let me focus on myself, you feel me? Let me focus on my, okay, baby. No need all that. Yeah, basically I'm like, okay, I need to step back and reevaluate how I'm going about it. Because I know for 100% fact, if I would have kept posting on YouTube, I was going to blow all my accounts. The way I was trading on YouTube, I mean, it wasn't bad. It wasn't terrible. I knew what I was talking about and I knew what I was doing. But it was more so I had to prove a point. So it felt like that. I didn't really have to, but it felt like I had to prove a point to, you feel me, the people, and just prove that, oh yeah, I'm making money, I know what I'm doing. Like it just felt like that. So that's why I was like, okay, yeah, I need to take a step back. But yeah, this is just one example, and I'm doing all this on some like bar replay shit. So I'm just letting the shit go. I'm waiting until I see my setup and I'm taking it. I only trade between 10 and 12. After that, I'm done trading. So I trade 2 hours a day. I'm not sitting on the charts, especially since I'm scalping. I'm super scalping. I really only like to take 1 to 2 trades a day max. Like, I'm not trying to take no more than that, because you can, with this strategy, it's a lot of opportunities. A lot of opportunities. Like, you'll probably get 3, 4 opportunities a day. Of course, when I'm back testing, I back test all of that. Like this whole day, I would have 4 good opportunities to get in. And this is on bar replay, so it's not like I seen what was gonna happen next. And I drew these up as the candles were printing type shit. So this was the first one I seen. Okay, so boom, as you can see, boom, we showing market structure below the VWAP. Boom, price comes down, pull back. Boom, I would have entered on this first bearish candle because we waited for structure. After we wait for structure, we wait for volume, and first bearish candle on a Heikin Ashi. It makes the most sense to me. Don't ask why, just do. Boom, I enter on that candle. I'm letting that bit ride. Letting that bit ride for a 2-to-1. With Heikin Ashi, they kind of, it's a little confusing because sometimes you don't enter right on here, but I just back tested like that because, you feel me? It's just about getting the best entry possible with Heikin Ashi. It's not about specifically how you're getting it. It's just about getting in what you're supposed to get. I don't know how to explain it. Because sometimes these can flip in the moment, but it's just about trying to get as close to this as possible. Sometimes it might be like down here. You'll probably have to cover here. And you feel me? Still go for a 2-to-1, which you still would have more than likely back. But sometimes they'll probably get you in down here. Sometimes they'll be up here. Like, I can actually weird like that though. But I just back tested like this because, hey, that's the closest I get in the moment. Then I seen another opportunity. We had a pullback. A push down, aggressive push down, nice volume. I entered, I lost. I'm recording all of it. I'm not, you feel me, sugarcoating nothing. And I seen this pull all the way up here. So now, in my mind, we broke structure. Price could be bearish. When it pulled back, of course, we're not entering on this first. Boom, we want to be above the VWAP, and we want to show structure above the VWAP. Once I seen the price failed to close above here, and we started creating bearish structure again, enter here, boom. Same thing here, pull back, enter here, boom. That's basically what I'm doing. That's really all I got for this video. I just wanted to let y'all boy know I'm still locked in, you feel me? Y'all let me know if y'all want me to come back full time on the YouTube shit. I definitely will, you feel me? Let y'all know how my account is doing. Of course, I was always going, you feel me, come back to YouTube. It was just me getting myself back together first. But y'all let me know if y'all want me to come back right now. I will. Just want to show y'all that. You feel me? Life. Don't know what else to say, but thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in to the next videos. And yeah, we got some heat coming. Stay tuned.